What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back here at the OG garage. Here about to slide in a Camaro, man. We about to go get this windshield changed out. About to go get the tags for this joint. About to go get all the above so we can start getting cracking on this thing, man. So I can't wait. You guys already know what's up. Let's see if we can get a cold start. All right. Got a little bit of vroom back there, man. A little bit of vroom, man. We're gonna hit the road, Jack. I'm trying to get there and back before traffic. Alrighty, man. We didn't pull it up to the smog shop. We getting the smog and stuff right now. And I freaking noticed my dang tire is like damn near about to go, man. So that's why it was like a bumpy ride. So gotta find a tire before we get too crazy, man. Hopefully it's one in the area. If not, I know we'll definitely find one in LA. We got this far, so we just know to take it a little bit easier. Well, we found a tire shop that had a tire like right off the freeway, so we lucked up with that. I was on cruise mode all the way to LA, but now that we got that just make me want to put my rims on it even more. So time to get this thing situated. We done got it registered and everything, so it's time to slide for show now. Yes, sir. We got the Muro getting tinted up and windshield swapped out. Yes, sir. That thing was dope. Fresh windshield going on. Now I was gonna take it to Vegas, but we are right here, so you know you have to get it done. We got the windshield out, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Y'all see it here first. Big windshield and everything. Professional, man. Professional. Let's check out the tint. Let's see. Ooh-wee. Yeah, it's looking good with the dark tint on it. I'm liking it. Starting to look like something now, y'all. It was a fishbowl a minute ago. We got the fresh windshield on there now. Looking good. Looking good. Can't wait. It was gonna be definitely too hot in Vegas like that, man, with that fishbowl, but we got it together now. I gotta throw my plates on there and everything. So we just put up on Tonyo, man. We got all the parts sanded down, almost ready for paint. Brought in the last little piece to the puzzle. So that's cool. We about to see what this paint is looking like, because we got our buttons for our rims. We went to go pick up our rims earlier, but I don't think it's that color. I guess it's kind of close, huh? Kind of. See? Let's see. What y'all think, man? Alrighty, guys. Next morning here, man, it's time to get this blue thing situated with the back wheel at least. So here we have him. About to go on thing, man. I can't wait. We're gonna pull that out, get that back wheel situated. We also got our wheels for our 2014. However, I don't know if the buttons is gonna match up. I think it's actually a little bit too dark. We'll have to see when that paint scheme come back, but we do got our wheels, so we might even be able to mount those up, or at least get our chrome lowers done, because now we can put the chrome lowers on there and at least get that front wheel situated on there, so when it comes back it'll be like good to go. But it's time to work on that blue thing. Alrighty, guys, and just like that, after some struggling, you guys know we ended up getting it. I told you last time it shouldn't be no more altercations, and we figured that joint out, man. So we got our rear wheel on. Everything on the back is completely done. We're still waiting on our storage door covers from Harley. And then once we put those on there, actually we pick up our storage doors from Antonio Friday, along with our hinge. That's we're waiting for Harley, matter of fact. So waiting on this hinge for this side and our doors to finish get painted. Once we finish that, we'll put our speaker covers in and we'll be good to go there. But with the back wheel on there, definitely looking a whole lot more complete, man. So let's tackle this thing, put it back together, and see what's next. Alrighty guys, so we got our legs off. We got our chrome lowers here, so we'll be swapping those out. Once that's done, we'll be putting it back together, then getting the whole front end situated and getting it going, man. I can't wait. Blue bike is pretty much finished, so literally a bunch of little stuff. When the paint set gets back for this one is gonna go pretty quick, man. So just trying to get all the little stuff knocked out in the meantime, but y'all see it here first. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, man. We got the bikes knocked out so far, man. Y'all see how dirty the I-8 is, dog. It's like one day it rains out here, then it doesn't, and then it doesn't it doesn't rain for like 2 weeks. Then I was like, all right, bet. I finally get my car washed and boom. What happens? The very next day, literally every time I wash it. But we got a freaking water hose and stuff in front of the crib now, man. So we can take care of it a little bit better. Still trying to see what color I want to go on the wrap, man, because I'm thinking I want to change this color up and I need something a little bit louder. Alrighty guys, we have to come back to the OG garage one last time. I almost forgot all the bikes we had in here, man. So gotta take these off and we're gonna get up out of here, man. It was fun, definitely a bunch of memories, that's for sure. Alrighty guys, so we just now pulling up to BBV, picking up our legs. We got our chrome lowers there and then our other chrome ones over there. So time to get back to the house, get these things put on so we can get that motorcycle at least sitting on the floor, man. Alrighty guys, we done made it back to the house. Time to get these forks on there and get this thing back on the ground real quick, man. And just like that, we got our chrome lowers on. Now, I was gonna put our chrome wheels on there. However, really don't want to show you the buttons just yet, man, because I want to keep the color kind of suspenseful, if you will. But then again, we have to get a whole nother tire for our front one over there because we do have the wraparound on this bike. So we need that thinner tire for that 21. So tomorrow, we'll probably show you guys the wheels or something, man, and get it going. But chrome lowers is on there, man. I can't wait, dog. It's coming together. And then I did realize I freaking tightened the freaking forks down. I realized we still got to put our cups in there, man. So gotta freaking do that again when we get our cups back. But that's the only thing about these Harleys, man. You put them together, you might put the same thing together like 5 times, dog. So by the time you finish, you're gonna be a pro. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. You guys seen we got the lower switched out. You guys seen a bunch of stuff, man. This video was kind of all over the place, but we are all caught up, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody for tuning in today. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway, man, for either one of these joints, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, and it could be you next, man. So if you guys haven't, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.